Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf? Mandela Effect. So, back in 1966, there was this movie that came out, and it's an American black comedy drama film directed by Mike Nichols in his directorial debut. The film stars Elizabeth Taylor as Martha and Richard Burton as George, with George Segal as Nick and Sandy Dennis as Honey. The film was nominated for 13 Academy Awards, including Best Picture and Best Director for Mike Nichols. I watched this movie a few years back, and I remember watching it and saying, man, this couple is so messed up. And when I watched the movie, I remember the title of the movie was Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf? And Wolf was spelled W-O-L-F, like the animal. Well, now it's W-O-O-L-F. And I've never seen it like that. And it bothered me because I just found out about this change because I have a book, and it's Time, Great People of the 20th Century. And it has the author, Virginia Woolf. And she was an English writer considered to be one of the most important modernist 20th century authors, and also a pioneer in the use, and listen to this, of stream of consciousness as a narrative device. Well, her last name was spelled W-O-L-F. Well, now it changed as well. It has W-O-O-L-F. And I don't remember that at all. So I found out about this just last week. So I wanted to make a quick video on it, on what I found and what I remember. Now again, this is the Mandela effect. Some people will see these changes and some people will not see these changes. But I definitely remember her last name, the author, and the title of the movie was spelled with one O, like the animal. So is this something that we're going to start seeing in the Bible? I mean, the lion has already been changed to a wolf. And will it change to W-O-O-L-F? And people won't see it because the animal has always been spelled with two O's? I mean, what the hell? This is ridiculous. Well, anyway, this is my research. Take a look. Let me know what you remember. Enjoy.